की इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानने वाले हैं बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल के बारे में। ये बहुत ही बड़ा मिस्टीरियस प्लेस है जहाँ पे शिप्स, प्लेन, बहुत सारे चीज गए हैं, वो वापस आ नहीं पाए और ये अभी तक बहुत बड़ा मिस्ट्री जो अभी तक सॉल्व नहीं हुआ है। ऐसे बहुत से कॉन्स्पिरेसी थ्योरी है इस टॉपिक के बारे में, तो आज हम सब कुछ डिटेल में जानेंगे वो सब क्या है, क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Bermuda Triangle, which is also known as a Devil's Triangle, is a special region in a western part of a North Atlantic Ocean in which ship, people and plane are alleged to mysteriously vanish. Some says alien exist and paranormal activities prevail over that area. But what is the truth? We will see in this video. So our second topic is top cases of Bermuda Triangle. Christopher Columbus saw a flame of fire crashing into the sea during his journey to the expedition of world. This mystery of Bermuda Triangle came into public attention when USA Cyclops with more than 3 people went missing over that sea. The 5-plane squadron Flight 19 with 27 men set out on training mission. No contacts were made while crossing that region and then they disappeared. Navy report says that cause or reason unknown and their sudden disappearance. Third one, a plane with crew members and 29 passengers went missing in that area. A Star Tiger passenger vanished with more than 30 people on board. Sulphur Queen, which was 523-foot tanker, went missing over that area. There was no warning of trouble and the ship simply disappeared. Investigation says that the ship is nowhere near seaworthy and likely caught a fire at sea. Paranormal ship with 33 crew person disappeared without any trace. तो हम लोग ने देखा कि टॉप केसेस बरमुडा ट्रायंगल में अभी तक क्या क्या हुआ। So हमारा थर्ड टॉपिक है एक्सेप्टेड थियरीज for Bermuda Triangle. Many people believe that a mythical city may lie at the bottom of the sea and be using this reputed crystal energy to sink ships and planes. There are also fanciful suggestions that there may be rift which can connect us to other world. Amazing, isn't it? There are some geological and hydrological explanation behind this mysterious triangle. Ships or plane likely destroyed due to flammable methane gas, which is present in large quantity under the sea. Or there may be some mysterious geometrical theory that creates navigation problem and confuses pilot. Some ecologists also says that magnetic field over that area is weak, hence it's allow cosmetic rays to pass through which unlike other places. This weak magnetic field is due to spherical structure of Earth. NASA's Terra model satellite, which is orbiting 450 miles above the North Atlantic, has captured photographs of the region and spotted a series of hexagonal shaped clouds. The hexagons range in size from 20 to 55 miles arrows. Dr. Randy Convenci, a meteorologist from Arizona, says that these types of hexagonal shapes over the oceans are in essence of air bombs. They are formed by what is called microburst air, blast of air that come down the bottom of the cloud and then hit the ocean, creating the waves that become even bigger as they interact with each other. But among all these theories, which one is true and why that place is so special? There are many conspiracy theories about that place, but there is no clear explanation or evidence related to it. Many people still believe that a paranormal activity exists of alien prevail over there. That's all for this video. Hit a subscribe button and share with your friends. My name is Sanjay and I thank you so much for watching this video.